सांखळेच्या गुरुदास गांवस विद्यालयात शिक्षकां खातीर क्रिकेट सर्त आयोजीत केल्या। विविधता उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयाची क्रिकेट परंपरा फुडें व्हरीत सांखळेच्या गुरुदास गांवस विद्यालयात गोवा टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट संघटनेच्या सहकार्यान शुक्रारा 4 आनी 5 मार्चाक पर्याय वाठारांतल्या सरकारच्या क्रीडा मैदानाचेर गोंयच्या शिक्षकां खातीर ही भव्य क्रिकेट सर्त आयोजीत केल्या। अशी माहिती गुरुदास हायस्कुलाचे मुख्याध्यापिका लक्ष्मी सिनारी हाणें दिल्या।
Vivida Parivar, staff of Gurudas P. Gaus Memorial High School and management, in association with Goa Tennis Ball Cricket Association, has organized inter-school staff cricket tournament 2022 for teachers on 4th and 5th March at DSYA ground near Bhumika Temple, Pariya Satpuri, Goa. For last 1 year, we have done so many social activities. Even though it is a pandemic year, so this is something different and it will be interesting tournament, because in this tournament, in each team there will be 2 lady teachers. So total 32 schools participated in this cricket tournament. My best wishes to all 32 teams